Guys, if you love brown butter chocolate chunk cookies and you love banana chocolate chip muffins, you should absolutely try this recipe because we're making brown butter triple chocolate chunk banana oatmeal cookies. Let's do it. 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, but I have 1 more 1/4 cup in reserve just in case we need it. Add a 1/2 teaspoon salt, baking soda, baking powder in, and like a 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. 1 3/4 cups of old-fashioned oats. Give it a mix. Wait, your turn. 1 full cup of brown butter. It doesn't have to be like cold by any means, but it can't be piping hot. 3/4 cups of white sugar and 3/4 cups of brown sugar. Give it a mix. It should go from this to this. Add in 1 egg yolk and then 1 full cup of a very ripe and mashed up banana. Mix until it goes from this to this. Spoon of vanilla, like a 1.5 teaspoons. Measure with your heart. Mix. Just add your dry stuff to the wet stuff. At this point, if your dough is like super sticky or runny or anything like that, I would say this dough is just slightly sticky for my liking. So I'm gonna add in 1/2 of this 1/4 cup of flour. I had a little bit less than a cup of banana because I only had 2 small bananas. But if you use that full cup, you're probably gonna need the full 2 3/4 cups of flour. Usually I wouldn't give you variability, but because we're using bananas and they come in different sizes, I just wanna show you what it should look like. Now we add the chocolate chunks and mix. Ooh, baby. Make your bowls. I like these to be like a medium-sized cookie, and I always wanna make sure that there's some big chocolate chunks on top, because then you get those like rivers of chocolate when you bake the cookie. Let's see how many medium-sized cookies we get. Whoa, it's a lot of cookies. I have 28 medium to small cookies. I'm gonna pop these in the fridge for 15 minutes while the oven preheats. I'll be back. Okay, bake these at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. Don't overbake your cookies. They should go from this to this. Guys, I think these might be perfect. Make sure you top them with flaky sea salt when they come out of the oven. Let's try one. You gonna try one? Warm one.
They smell so good.
Are you ready? Down the middle. There you go. I gave him the bigger half.
They're good.
You gotta run.
Just a subtle hint of banana.
Out of 10? They're really good.
They are good.
Come on.
Like a 9.7.
They're a 10. Here's a recipe for you guys. I'll remember to put it up this time. You should try these. You're welcome.